Dude, hairstyling products are overrated, bro. You don't need to use them. They don't do anything for your hair. I'm gonna prove you guys wrong today. I have 3 different hairstyles that I'm going for with my only single haircut. I'm not changing up the length. 1 for pomade for that greaser look, 1 for sea salt spray and clay combo to add beach wave texture, you know, surfer hair look, and 3 with curl cream to enhance the natural curl in my hair. Guys, I'm gonna show you how each product works differently to bring out a different hairstyle in your single haircut. Let's jump into the video. Okay, first up, I've kind of towel dried my hair. It's a little damp right now, so we got something to work with. And I'm gonna start off by grabbing some pomade and work this greaser style going on. All right, here's that pomade right here. This is a high hold, high shine product. Run it through my hands, emulsify it, and then just go to work and run it through my hair. If you really want that kind of slicked back look, this one is key. Gives you that wet look in your hair and without leaving it looking dry or frizzy or anything like that. Okay, now that it's been worked in, I'm gonna grab our wide tooth comb. This one is really the only comb that I use just because you don't want to be using a fine tooth comb. It's going to be pulling your hair out and damaging it. The wide tooth gives it lots of movement without damaging your hair, lots of control without causing any breakage in your hair either. Now, this is like fully slicked back. I like to hit the side part going a little bit right here. All right, this is a crazy slicked back look. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, and there is the final product. Got the little strand right there. You can see it looks like I have product in my hair. It looks wet, it looks like that greaser aesthetic, but that's why I love pomade, because it's an option. You can go with that kind of slick back look if you want something that is high status, high attention, grabbing, like the pomade slick back look. There's that one for you guys. Okay, got the hair wet again, dampened it, and now we're going for the kind of surfer beach vibes look going. We got the sea salt spray and clay. This is the perfect texture combo for anybody that wants that nice texture, natural lived-in look in their hair. To start it off, I just hit it with some sea salt spray. This is gonna add lots of volume. Just give it that nice little wave going on. And then I like to scrunch it around. You can see all the texture coming in. You can see different strands going in. And it's not gonna make it look slick or greasy like, say, something like the pomade. Okay, now that we got all this texture in my hair, I'm gonna grab clay. This one has got a medium hold with a matte finish. So really low shine, but it's still gonna give you lots and lots of texture. You don't need that much, just a little bit like that. Then I take it, emulsify it in my hand, just kind of work it in my hair. Best way I think for applying clay is really to scrunch your hair up, especially if you want that kind of fringe look going on. It's really just to scrunch it in front so that your hair falls with lots of texture. Okay, now that that has dried, you can see there's lots of texture going on in my hair, lots of control, lots of volume with it. It's similar to the pomade slick back look, but a little bit more of a matte finish, a little bit less shine, and really just going more for that like fresh out of the ocean kind of surfer look. That's really what you can achieve with that sea salt spray and clay, just like that. All right, the hair is wet again, and for our final style, I'm going with our curl cream. This is really to embrace the curl that I have. I know it seems like I have more straight or wavy hair, but on the sides, when it has a proper curl cream in, this gets defined and it looks curly. So let's see what it looks like. Take the curl cream, just use a little bit in my hair. This stuff is super lightweight. You don't need that much, but it really goes to work and it doesn't feel overpowering in your hair. It doesn't feel like you have a bunch of stuff in it. It really just keeps your hair looking like it is wet, a little bit like it has hydration in it and moisture. Now what I'll do again is I'll grab our wide tooth comb. This is also really good if you have curly hair to work it back. It's gonna keep your hair together so it prevents sort of frizz going on and keeps the hair follicles intact and not broken apart by using a thin comb. All right, and here's the final product with that curl cream. You can see that my hair maybe is not all the way curly. I'm not gonna pretend like I have super curly hair, but still on the sides, we got some curls going on right here and a little bit of bounce going on up here. All that with the curl cream. It just really keeps my hair hydrated, frizz free, and just adds that nice layer of nourishment and a little extra shine that you are looking for if you are trying to go with a curly hairstyle. And that wraps up the video, guys. Which of those 3 hairstyles did you prefer on me? Which one did I look dumb with and which one did I look the best with? I want to know so that I can not rock the dumb one and rock the best one on a daily basis. But let me know what your guys' thoughts in the comments. And we will catch you in the next Paint and Pedro video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.